Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make these squishy cube shapes. They can be made in several different sizes as seen here. They can be made slightly bigger than the biggest I have here to show you, but it is quite flimsy, so I'm not going to be showing it today. I'll be showing how to make these two here, the two smaller ones, but I'll be telling you how to make this one, so you should be able to figure it out. For the small one, you need 48 magnets in a double row like this. And you want to break off at the fourth magnet, and you want to try and keep these together like this. And you want to connect the double chain right back on top to make a 4x4 square here. And you want to repeat this process 2 more times until you have this. And you'll see at the end of the chain you have eight magnets, and you want to break off these, flip it around 90 degrees and connect it back in the middle. Then if you flip it over, you can connect it just like this, and if you push the 4 corners together on each side, you'll end up with the small squishy cube. Now this one isn't actually very squishy, as the name would imply, but that's how you make the smallest one. Now for the next one, you want to start with a row that's 4 wide, and this one will take 192 magnets, and you want to break it off at 8 magnets long and connect it back on top. So it's the same process, just with more magnets, and you want to do that twice more. And you will notice, if you try and build these in bigger sizes, that it very quickly becomes quite difficult to manage. They can get very flimsy. That's why I'm not showing the next size up. So when you connect it, you'll end up with the same exact thing you had earlier, just bigger. And you'll connect it back around in the same way, and in the same way you did, just connect the 4 points on either end. And this is the next size up in the squishy cubes. This one is a lot more satisfying to actually hold. Now for the next one, the next size up, the largest one here, it's the same exact idea, just instead of having the chain 2 magnets or 4 magnets wide, you have it 6 wide. So you would count, this time you'd count 12 magnets, and then you'd break it off. So like that, and you'd wrap it back around, and you'd continue the same process, and you'd wrap it around in the same way and connect the corners. It's a bit harder to actually hold and physically manage, but that is how you make the squishy cubes out of Zen Magnets. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.